Why display advertising is the future of digital marketing. Hey there! In today's video, we're going to talk about display advertising and why it's the future of digital marketing. Display advertising is a powerful way to reach your target audience and grow your business. So, let's dive in. Display advertising refers to the use of banner ads, videos, and other graphic advertisements that appear on websites, social media platforms, and mobile apps. It's a form of online advertising that helps businesses reach their target audience and increase brand awareness. One of the biggest advantages of display advertising is its ability to reach a large audience. With display ads, you can target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors to make sure your ads are seen by the right people. Plus, you can track and measure the success of your campaigns to make sure you're getting the most out of your advertising budget. Another advantage of display advertising is its versatility. You can create a variety of ad formats, including static images, animated GIFs, and videos, to make your ads more engaging and effective. Plus, you can use retargeting to show ads to people who have already interacted with your brand, increasing the chances of converting them into customers. So, if you're looking to grow your business and reach a larger audience, consider using display advertising. With its ability to target specific demographics, track results, and create engaging ad formats, display advertising is the future of digital marketing. Don't wait. Start using display advertising today to take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you have any questions about display advertising or digital marketing in general, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.